Hello people, it has been a minute since I last vlogged and today we are heading to Ssezibwa Falls, located in Mukono. And a little bit about Ssezibwa Falls is it is a spiritual culture site in Baganda, home of the traditionalists who come here to seek different things from their gods. However, it is also a tourist center for people like us who go there to see, of course, the amazing Ssezibwa Falls, hiking and also nature walks. Another thing about the Sezibwa that it has a myth surrounding it, and it is believed to be a twin-born river, and it also has another twin called River Kato. So our side guide Gabriel spoke more about the Sezibwa Falls, details where it came from, where it flowed, and if you want to know about it, I put a clip at the end that you can check out. We started off with a hike to the top of the Ssezibwa Falls, and I must say this was the easiest hike for me ever. I wasn't tired, I wasn't out of breath, and we were at the top of the falls in no time. So when you reach at the top, there is this amazing view that you will see in this vlog. I actually put it there for you, that you have to check out when you're actually there. You can be here, it actually has nice fresh air.
It does. Except the culture site.
The culture site will charge you to dance. I said,
Mother, say hi. Hey.
The water is shallow. You go. The lake is finished.
The closest we've been. Yeah, this is the closest I have been actually. Maxon, you can't do this.
Ssezibwa Falls.
Of course.
if you've been following the vlog from the beginning, you'll notice that now we are the opposite side of the Ssezibwa Falls. We began with a hike, crossed up on the falls, took a nature walk, and then we have actually come out on the opposite side of the falls, and this is actually a different angle or side of the Ssezibwa Falls. Before I forget, there is an annual music festival called Sounds of Sezibwa, and it is like Nyege Nyege. So if you're interested in such festivals, you can look up on their pages for more information. For people who do not like crowds, I would suggest that you visit the site during weekdays and enjoy the tourist site to yourself, just as we did. And then there is also this camp place that we're actually walking through. It is known to host these picnics, so you can come with your friends and family. It is only 5,000 shillings for Ugandans to come to Ssezibwa Falls. So if you are into history, geography and culture stuff, I think you should give Ssezibwa Falls a visit. Explore Uganda.
Indigenous people who still worship the old way of worshiping or paying tribute to their ancestors. And this was a religion, the first religion, because the African traditional religion, which was in our society before this modern religion came. So we still have a group of individuals or locals who subscribe to that traditional religion. And so they come here to carry out different rituals, like cleansing, baptism. They also come for Thanksgiving. Yes. But of course the site is also a tourist center. So they also receive tourists. And equally students of all levels come to different academic groups. The Ssezibwa Falls was discovered in 1884 by Setawa Hamwanga II, from a king of Baganda Kingdom. And the king used to visit the site to seek blessings from the ancestors and also to get the good health. So the different ancestral spirits and other gods with special altars and shrines dedicated to them. And some of these spirits are specialized, they play specific functions or roles in the day-to-day life of the believer. Yes. The Sezibwa River comes from Ngogwe Hill, which is in the Liko district, about 20 kilometers from here. And the formation or creation of the river Sezibwa is surrounded by myth and legend. One of the Uganda legends has it that the river Sezibwa was born. Traditionally, it is believed to be a twin-born river, and that means two rivers were back. Okay? This story dates back over 200 years ago, where a lady called Nakambuke and her husband, Sezibwa, had expected to give birth to twin babies when she conceived, but he says or believes that during labor, it instead gave birth to twin babies. So it was exchange with a blood from our womb instead of twin babies. And so these two rivers were named after twins. There was Waswa and Kato. The river Sezibwa being Waswa, elder twin, and its brother Kato, which of course flowed eastwards after that. So it came to the village Victoria, and later it came to be renamed Mureya, River Mureya. Mureya comes from the word Kibelika. It means to wander or to lose your direction, your path, lose your way. Just to go to the village Victoria or the source of the Nile. Then what to upload west of Uganda, and along its journey, was the different obstacles it met, but it managed to maneuver or overcome, especially the volcanic rock was standing on the way of the river, and so it was expected to cause an obstacle to block the river. But of course, being strong, the river made its way through the hard rock that is open. And so subsequently formed an impressive waterfall, which made it to be renamed Sezibwa, which means unspoken. Sezibwa is a name which is coined from the Uganda phrase Ssezibwa Falls, that means my path is not be blocked on my way. And continue with it slow, gently, northwards through Kayunga district and it is in Lake Shore. Through Kayunga.
Go here. The river takes you.
If you're lucky, you end up